Hi, today in front of me Galaxy S23 Ultra and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's open the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. Here we can see that we are logging into two accounts at the same time. And now just to log out from one from these accounts, in Gmail app, we should first log out from Google accounts on our device. And to do that, we should tap to manage accounts on this device, select one from these two accounts and tap to remove account button. After that, confirm your action, and now we can see that in Google account settings we stay only with one account. So let's just go back to the application and we can see that we just successfully log out also from Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.